Hey guys, James from Sicky Manufacturing. If you're still running the OEM rubber subframe bushings in your car, we've got a great upgrade for you. Let's take a closer look. This bushing set completely replaces all the OEM rubber bushings in your factory RX-8 subframe. The OEM rubber bushings can cause unwanted movement in the rear subframe, which can have all kinds of traction issues. These bushings eliminate that wishy-washy, sloppy rubber feel and tighten things up so you have more response from your steering and a smoother, crisp turn-in. Each bushing in this set was designed in CAD and CNC'd from 6061 billet aluminum right here in the USA. Each bushing receives a clear anodize to maximize durability and corrosion resistance. This bushing set places the rear subframe in the OEM location, which is important depending on what you're doing with the car. Certain series and sanctioning bodies require that the subframe cannot move from its OEM position. To learn more about these RX-8 subframe bushings and see what else Sicky makes for your car, go to sicky.com or get in touch with one of our knowledgeable sales reps today.